I hate that we didn't make it to forever. Probably ain't getting back together, but that don't mean that I can't wish you better. We ain't good, but we still good. I realize that I can't be your lover. Let's just keep it honest with each other. I'll be happy for you when you find another. We ain't good, but we still good. Who knew it'd be like this? Usually my exes turn to enemies, but this is different. Cause we done got closer now that you ain't with me. All that love that we had, ain't no way we gon' forget that. And your family love me like I'm family. You know where you stand with me. So when they ask, tell them right one, right now. Sometimes can't say we didn't try. But you always been a real one. Even though we ain't together, it was real love. And baby, it's still love. I hate that we ain't make it to forever. Probably ain't getting back together, but that don't mean that I can't wish you better. It ain't good, but we still good. I realize that I can't be your lover. Let's just keep it honest with each other. I'll be happy for you when you find another. We ain't good, but we still good.
All the plans you made for me, to be honest, all the stacks that you did spend on me, they don't go forgotten. But we're happier apart than locked in. Don't fuck with me, I promise, boy, don't do drama. It didn't work, but I hope you find another. I wish you peace, I wish you good sex and good sleep. Find a girl of your dreams, cause I sleep well at night. No one to say this to me.
Delightful.
Wrong time. All good things come to an end, so let's just learn the lessons and find loving again.
Hey y'all, I just realized I haven't even shown my face yet in this vlog so far, so I'm like, let me do that. What am I doing? So if you don't know me already, I'm Gabby. Hey, some of y'all of course do know me, and some of you have probably followed me from before when I had my YouTube channel, but now I'm officially back. I was originally on YouTube like 6-7 years ago. I was 6-7, maybe even almost 8 years ago. Is that pushing it? I don't think so. No, that's not pushing it, because I was 19, 20, and like 21 when I was doing YouTube originally. So that's crazy because I'm 27 now, almost 30. Like, so much has changed in my life. Obviously, like, I'm grown, like very much grown. And wow. I'm really excited though, because my life has changed. My life is changing, and I can't wait to like document that for myself. But of course it would be nice to like share that, because I think oftentimes we think that we're like alone, or like nobody will understand like what I'm going through, or nobody can relate to this, nobody else has been through this. But it's like, you're literally never alone. So I just want to be able to document my journey for myself, so I can remind myself in the future, if I'm ever feeling like, girl, why is this not working, or what's going on with this, I can look at my own journey and be like, girl, look how you went through that and you made it through and you came out on the other end, and look at you now. So when I need a reminder to myself, I can look at my own content, okay? My business. I don't know if I was really talking about my business that much in my previous videos back in the day. But I have a fashion brand. It's called 21st Avenue. I sell women's clothing and accessories. And for the men in my life, my family, my friends who are always like, where's the menswear? That's not my market yet. So I want to master this and like get this down to like a T. Get all the fly girls out there like covered, okay? And then when I really like know menswear, I'll cater to that. And I love menswear. That's the thing. Like, I love men's fashion. It's crazy. It's sick. I feel like some of the men's pieces are so fire compared to women's. But of course, I'm a woman. I know how to dress. I want my girls to know how to dress. So that's what I'm focusing on right now, okay? But anyway, I want to be able to document my growth and my progress with my business, and then even just show you guys like behind the scenes for my photo shoots, like different campaigns and like how I develop them, and just like my full creative process and just like my whole journey with my business. So I'm really excited to document that. Those who want to see can watch with me as well. I also have a lot of travel planned because I just love to travel, and for a long time in my life my travel was really like sporadic. Like most people, my travel was sporadic, but I think I'm entering a chapter in my life where I'll be able to travel more often like I've wanted to. So I'm really excited to be able to document that as well, and then just share that with you guys, create the memories for myself to look back onto, and just like be happy in this next chapter of my life. I'm really excited. And yeah. Oh, I've also been working on a series. I'm not gonna say what this series is. I'm just gonna work on it and post it, and you guys will see once it's posted. But I'm really excited about that, so you'll see that probably in like a week or two, because I've already been working on it, so you'll see that soon. But yes, thank you guys for being here. So you'll see my fashion content, you'll see the travel content, and then of course you'll see day-to-day lifestyle, kind of like in this vlog. So yeah, I'm excited. Thank you guys for being here. But let's get into some unboxings and a cute little extra mini haul from HomeGoods. So first things first, let's talk about HomeGoods, okay? So I got these wine glasses. Did I need more wine glasses? No. But did I get them? Yes. This is the box. And the reason why I got these, because of course they're beautiful, but they were on sale, girl. Original price was $19.99. And I got these for $6. The case was $6. And look at how beautiful. Like, can we please just get into that? Like, wow. That's stunning. Like, oh yeah, let me just make you a drink. Let me pour you a little champagne or make you a little cocktail. Of course. Yeah, that's cute. So I had to get those because it was only $6. And I've never really paid attention to HomeGoods clearance, but now I will make sure that I pay attention to that because that is a really good price. And then I also bought these little cups. Well, they're mugs. Glass mugs. Pink, of course. If you can't tell already, pink's my favorite color. The brand is Cupcakes and Cashmere. If you go to HomeGoods and you're interested. But yeah, these are super cute for my tea in the morning, or if I make like a little fake coffee drink, because I barely drink coffee for real. Like I'm not a fan of coffee. But yeah, I love those. Okay, so now I'm gonna flip the camera and do my unboxing how I really want to for the cloth and paper. But I have a cloth and paper haul, a mini haul. So if you don't know what cloth and paper is, they sell stationery, agenda, like inserts, dashboards, pins, like all things like that. All things stationery, really. And they sell planners and stuff too. I have this agenda, which is not from cloth and paper. Of course, this is a Louis Vuitton agenda. And I got this last year. And I originally started using it as my, like, a traditional agenda. You know, day-to-day plans, weekly, monthly, whatever. But lately, I was thinking, I kind of want to switch it up and make this something else. Still for planning, but just in a different way. So I'm kind of figuring that out, but it's more for my business right now. But I also wanted to show you guys the box. I'll show you the box here and then I'll flip it and do the full unboxing. Okay, the theme is silver. I love this. This is beautiful. And this is just an archive box. So there's even more inside of here. Oops. There's even more inside of here. But let's get into it and I'll show you guys.
I hate that we make it to forever. Probably ain't getting back together. But that don't mean that I can't wish you better. We ain't good, but we still good. I realize that I can't be your lover. Let's just Let's keep it honest with each other. I'll be happy for you when you find another. We ain't good, but we still good.
No matter who you with, I wanna see you happy. Yeah, it didn't work out, but that don't mean you should attack me. We enjoy the 5-star meals, but you was with me for the Zaxby. Holding me down from the start. I used to be broke, I was ashy. I hate we didn't tie the knot, but shit, that's how life go. You always would say that I might blow. Got rich and I pay for your light bulb. I know the person you is, that's why I still wanna be friends. If you wanna open up a new salon, I still help pay for the wig. And I help with the lease. You know I ain't never been cheap. Relationships don't always last, but let's not turn it to beast. I'll come through from time to time and have you grabbing them sheets. That's if you want to, I'm just playing, girl, stop smacking your teeth. 21.
I hate the greeting.